How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can try to switch to personal or creator account for the time being. So open Instagram and make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, navigate to the Creator Tools and Controls option or Business Tools and Controls option and then tap on the Switch Account Type option and further switch to Creator or Business or Personal account and then restart Instagram and check music again and see if that helps. If not, go ahead and open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure your Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update Instagram. Next, open Instagram again and then tap on your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on the log out option and wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then log back in, as this will refresh Music Licensing Sync. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Further, navigate to Instagram and tap on it and then tap on the Offload App option and offload the Instagram application and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Also, go a step back to General and then tap on the Language and Region option you see there and check your region, as music availability depends on country licenses. So if one song or music is available in one country, it might not be available in another country. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try using Reels instead of music for the time being. So go to the story interface and then tap on the Reel option at the bottom and then tap on the audio option. Further, search for the song and then you will see the save icon. So save the audio and you can then go ahead and use it in your stories from the saved tab. Also, you can try searching for the song by simply typing in the full name of the song, or you can also search by the artist name, and you can try different spelling and make sure that the spelling that you are entering is correct. Also, make sure to check for songs copyright. So, if some songs are removed temporarily or are only available for reels and not allowed in stories, then you will not be able to see the song. And sometimes it simply could be the server issue, so you can wait for 24 to 48 hours for the Instagram music server issue to be fixed, and then you can try again. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram music not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.